So here we are going to look into the Gamma Explosion Algo Dashboard. So the market is closed. Like today, we can see about the game of the game of expiry game. So India, which is almost normal, around 16, and the Nifty is indicating around the flat actually. So Nifty future is also so flat. So we can see the global markets also so flat and negative in the flat territory. So they are waiting for the US and Iran deal actually. So we can see the spot is around to 23,900. Earlier the max point was around 24,000. So I was watching since the morning. It was fully in the sideways moment. Those who might have expected to gap up on yesterday, those who bought the call option will stuck into in the early morning itself. So I was supposed to buy a call option. I had a thought actually. So due to the expiry game and all, so the 330k overnight will lead to a premium value. So I wasn't get out of the game. So I just watched till afternoon. So we can see about volatility is around cool. So PCR is for the first one 1 or 2 to 3 days. It was above 1.217 actually, above 1.1. So here we can see about the resistance 25,000, 26,000, 24, 23. So this is the whole number area. So here you can see about the resistance actually. So today range is it is up to 24,090 and oscillated from up to 23,800. So it's a game up around 200 points actually. So here we can see about the IV Smile. PCR trend it's not populated. So here you can see about the OI buildup. So with this data we can place our trades. So this is the strike PCR levels. The IV intelligence will populate while in the market open. So straddle we can see about this is the straddle for next expiry. So it has huge premium actually around expiry of around 845. So here we can see about the at the money OI. So here we can clearly say about the call put OIs are much higher since morning. So when it just cross over around here you can say about 3 o'clock. So let's look into the chart. Here you can see about clearly. So since it just started around 11 o'clock itself, it just started falling. I was expecting it will close reach around. But before reaching the one the bullish about here, we got some level might be the important level, this level. So 2000 will be a greatest for tomorrow. So if it's going to be breakout with this level, we can expect it will reach around 1,000. Or else this will be the resistance. So we can expect some kind of reversal from here. So there is a possibility that the market is not rising or not going well in the global market and all. So we can see the price will reach around here. Here you can see about the OI changes in strike price and all. So this is mostly the 33 stacks were declining rate. So yesterday the FIAs were net bullish actually. Even though they are bullish and all, on previous day they just sold around 4,000 crores actually. So that's the reason it was full of expiry sideways gain. So this is the calendar you can see. So mostly you can see the sector map. It was either flat or negative. So only Nifty Energy is performed around. Nifty and Nifty Metal just signed around 1%. So they are the pivot points. So here you can see about the Wipro, VDL, ITC, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank has our largest volumes actually. So the gainer Adani, Net, VDL, Tech Mahindra, Nestle India, ONGC were gained something. The loser side we can't see it not that much actually. So it's mostly restricted into 1%. Here in this premium version you can see about the live signal feed which is gathering from this dashboard. So what we will do the intelligence running in the learning in the background will gather information all over the dashboard and it will give us actionable insights. it's a kind of snapshot which is giving. So it will say like what about the PCR, or what its level, whether it's a bullish or we should watch. Here at the it just gave around watch support by volume, and so it's like see it's saying about the maximum, the price is going to gravitate toward this level. So if it's going to be bullish on upcoming days, so you can see the price will reach around 24,500. So you can see the live alerts while in the market. So this is some other strategy I will explain later. Here you can see about the gamma explosion my monitor at this level. And this is the important dashboard. You should watch on it, so it will dynamically change, or what should we do, about the gamma blip and all. So whether you should watch or you should wait. So here you can see about the key gamma levels and all. So this is the main thing, we should always watch this section. What about the gamma blip? What about the dealers, or whether long they are creating, pinning a book and all. So range to watch, we should watch these levels and all. And break above 24, it's not possible actually. So this is for the next week. So here you can see about the get pressure is negative. So negative in the sense it's going to be range towards one side actually. So you can see that after the afternoon session, so you can see the bull just balloon to from 2480 to 23,900. So this is we should watch actually. If it's green, it's going to be sideways. If it's red and all explosive, it's going to be trend actually. So here you can see about the bullish, and over here you can see about the OI changes here. Even though the Put OI is around 8.9 lakh, you can see about sideways movement, it just fell actually. So this is the ATM Greeks. So with this dashboard, you will get into actionable insights. So you don't need to switch to many caps and all. Here you can see about BTC and all. It just it will run 24/7. So here for Indian conditions, we can see about the expiry signals over here. On daily basis, the expiry is around 1:30 p.m. So it will monitor the next day Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. Thank you for watching, guys. Let's see about the tomorrow reaction. We'll post an update in the early morning about the pre-market report. Thank you.